Item number 3 today has you working on your journal project. And you'll notice in there that you're obviously doing journal entry number 3, but you're also inserting a name heading. And I want to show you how to do that in this video. So we'll go to the classwork tab and find the writing section. We know, as we've done with journal entry number 1 and 2, that you access your journal through the actual journal project itself. So let's go ahead and start by opening the journal project, just to have it there with us. I'm going to open the journal project. Now I'm going to go back to journal entry number 3 so I can get my instructions. Again, writing section, journal entry number 3. Okay, so we have our prompt. We'll read over it in a minute. First instruction is to open the journal. I already did that because I knew we had to. Second instruction is to insert a name heading. I'd like to show you how to do that. In order to start a name heading, we're going to hit Insert, scroll down to Headers and Footers, and we want to click on Header. We want it right justified, and we're going to type in our last name. My last name is Henry, so I'm going to type Henry. And then I'm going to hit the space bar. I want it to be numbered like we did on the essay for the compare and contrast essay. So again, just last name and a space, leave the cursor where it is. Go to Insert, again, scroll down to page numbers, and we want to pick the top left quadrant where it shows the numbers in the top right corner. And now I can see that this number is grayed out. That means that when I scroll down to the next page, the number is going to change. Okay, I can click out of this. And since we're here, I might as well go ahead and set up my journal entry number 3. I'm going to put today's date. I need to enter in the prompt. So let's go back to the journal assignment. I'm just going to highlight, right click, copy, right click, paste, and I need to use Control V. And our question, how do you feel about being a distance learner? What are you most worried about? What are you most excited about? Overall, do you think this will be a positive or negative experience? Maybe both. Why or why not? Your response will go in the space beneath the response. Like I said before, you can go up to a 14-point font and pick something kind of fancy, and you'll type your response. Do not click Turn In when you're done. Just exit out because we're going to keep adding to it. And then you'll mark this assignment as done.